Hello, everyone, and welcome back to this wonderful magical journey where you start living a life full of happiness. Yesterday's class was about miracles in health. How can you regain that abundance that once you experienced in your health? Talking about your past health experience, your present, and future. Also, we talked about the best possible way to be grateful for health because the biggest asset is your health. So there are three aspects that we talked about. We talked about keeping a balance between mind, body, and soul. The nutrition of mind is having a stable mind with positive thoughts and right values. The nutrition of body is having a good diet, balanced diet, and physical exercise, right amount of water, sunlight, and air. And also right proportion of flexibility, stamina, and strength. That was about body. And soul. The nutrition for soul is reading scriptures, understanding them, and reflecting on them. Then prayers, meditation. That is the nutrition for soul. So when we have a balance between all three, then it is the right kind of health. That is called the perfect health. And then you start giving gratitude to your health because this is the gift given to you by the universe, by the God. So we need to be grateful for what we have. For every and each step we take, we have to be grateful. उन सांसों के लिए शुक्रिया करना है जो हमें मिली हैं गिफ्ट में. This life is a gift to us given by the God. So we have to say thank you God for this gift of life, this abundance of health which I have received throughout my life. So this was about yesterday's class. Today is again beautiful chapter which is on the magic check. This chapter talks about the importance of gratitude for money in our lives and how we can change our perspective, our mindset regarding money. Earlier we used to have barter system when we exchanged goods and services. But now we have money. We pay money to get goods and services. बट एक हमारा माइंडसेट बन गया मनी को लेकर दैट इधर वी आर रनिंग आफ्टर मनी एंड वी फील दैट हम लोग पैसे के पीछे भागना पड़ेगा तभी पैसा मिलेगा या हमें लगता है दैट मनी विल ब्रिंग इविल and we become jealous and that will get further greed and negative thoughts आ जाएंगी तो हमें एक नेगेटिविटी लगती है टू एक्वायर मोर मनी या फिर हमें लगता है कि मनी इफ वी गेट मोर मनी वी विल get negative thoughts along with that कुछ negativity हमें आ जाएगी so we start in that atmosphere when we feel that हम तो मंदिर तो जा ही रहे हैं हम या हम पॉजिटिव तो हैं हम तो बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं तो जितना है हमें ठीक है but when we understand that we need to be grateful for the money which we have because when we are grateful for the money we start creating those similar situations where we are more grateful for money. So how we can do this? Through the power of gratitude. Gratitude और हम जब positive thoughts रखते हैं अपने mind में हमेशा it so happens that by the positive thoughts we create those similar situations in which we are more grateful. We start receiving that in abundance because like this chapter talks about like attracts like when we are in that worry jealousy greed तो हम similar situations और attract कर रहे हैं to be in that situation of worry greed and jealousy तो उससे बाहर आने के लिए हमें क्या करना है we need to be grateful because when we are in gratitude that brings happiness और gratitude के साथ जब happiness होता है then you cannot be ungrateful then you cannot be unhappy then you cannot be disappointed it's logical so let's start today's chapter who is going to read today Arush is here So, Arush, would you like to read?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. Good to have you here, Arush.
Uh, Same here.
Okay. Is it okay? Can you see?
Yeah, I can. Day
Okay, day
17, the magic check.
17. Yeah, the magic check. Please start.
Okay. In the magical universe, there are no coincidences and there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills it to happen. William S. Burroughs, 1914 to 1997, writer and poet.
Okay, so see, the first three lines only they talk about that in the universe there are no coincidences, there are no accidents. कुछ अचानक से ऐसा नहीं हो रहा. It is all our reflection. We attracted it through the power of law of attraction. Whatever happens is through the power of law of attraction. तो हम कुछ सोचते हैं माइंड में, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ सम फियर इन आवर माइंड, और हम कुछ उससे अट्रैक्ट कर लेते हैं. तो माइंड में इतने थॉट्स चलते हैं, वी डोंट इवन नो व्हाट्स हैपनिंग इन द माइंड. So much of jealousy, so much of fear, and uh, there are different kinds of negative thoughts that are in mind. Thoughts are not pure. बहुत कुछ हम छुपाते रहते हैं, पर हम सोचते हैं ऐसा क्यों हो गया, ये तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं था. But that happens because we don't know what's happening in our mind. And we need to come out of that to understand the importance. This chapter talks about that when we talk about money, it is our belief system that we need to change about money or about anything. It's a circle, you know. किसी के पास ज्यादा धन है, किसी के पास ज्यादा रिलेशनशिप में बहुत अच्छा है, किसी के पास हेल्थ बहुत अच्छी है. सो वी नीड टू कंप्लीट दैट. कंप्लीट मतलब उसको हमने उसका सोल्यूशन निकालना है, उसको समझना है कि व्हाट इज द लॉजिक, बिकॉज देर इज लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट. And when we understand the logic, we understand where you need to work on, because if we are stuck somewhere, it is that we are in survival mode, we have to come out of it. And we need to pay gratitude in that particular situation. And how can we do that? Let's understand. Yes, please.
When you direct gratitude's magical power towards any negative condition, a new condition is created, eliminating the old condition. That means that when you get yourself to the place where you feel gratitude for money more than you feel a lack of money, a new condition is created, eliminating the lack of money and magically replacing it with more money. All bad feelings about money push money away from you and reduce the amount of money in your life. And every time you feel bad about money, and you reduce it a little more. If you
तो व्हेन वी फील बैड अबाउट मनी, मतलब अगर हमें लगता है कि पैसा तो जो है बड़ा मुश्किल है कमाना, या हम सोच रहे हैं कि अब तो कैसे करेंगे, पैसा कोई पेड़ों पे लगा तो नहीं हुआ, जो हमने बिलीफ सिस्टम शुरू से माइंड में रखा हुआ है, मेरे जेब में तो मोरी है, पैसा टिकता ही नहीं है, या आजकल सिचुएशन ऐसी है कि कहीं जॉब ही नहीं लग रही, जहां जाता हूँ रिजेक्ट हो जाता हूँ, जहां जाता हूँ रिजेक्ट हो जाता हूँ. सो ऑल दीज नेगेटिव थॉट्स, ऐसा नहीं है कि ये रियल नहीं है, मे बी दे आर रियल, बट देन व्हेन यू कीप थिंकिंग अबाउट इट, यू पुट योर माइंड इनटू इट, और जिस चीज में आपका माइंड फोकस हो जाता है, दैट थिंग एक्सपैंड्स. That is a law of the universe. So you are expanding that, and that gets stored in your subconscious mind. और आपको वही बार बार सिचुएशंस आती हैं जहां पर आप फिर अनग्रेटफुल हो जाते हैं, वो सिचुएशंस बार बार आती है जब आप फिर डिसअपॉइंट हो जाते हैं, एंड देन यू प्रूव योरसेल्फ. यस, दैट्स व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग. यस प्लीज.
if you have feelings about money like envy, disappointment, worry, or fear, you cannot receive more. The law of attraction says that like attracts like. So if you feel disappointed that you don't have enough money, you will receive more disappointing circumstances of not having enough money. If you are worried about money, you will receive more worrying situations about money. If you feel fearful about the state of your mind, then you must receive your situations that will continue to make you feel fearful about money. However difficult it may be, you have to ignore your current situation and any lack of money you may currently be experiencing. And gratitude is the guaranteed way for you to do that. You can't be grateful for money and disappointed about money at the same time. You can't thinking grateful thoughts about money and have worried about thoughts about money at the same time. Nor can you be grateful for money and have fearful thoughts about money at the same time. When you are grateful for money, not only do you stop the negative thoughts and feeling that push money away from you, you are doing the very thing that brings more money to you.
ओके, सो व्हेन यू आर fearful अबाउट मनी, मतलब जब आपको डर लगता है कि आप कुछ स्टेप नहीं ले पा रहे हैं, या आपको लगता है पता नहीं मैं ये नया वेंचर तो शुरू कर रहा हूँ पर आएगा कि नहीं पैसा, या आप सोच रहे हैं कि मैं जॉब करने तो जा रहा हूँ पर पता नहीं इतना मुझे अमाउंट मिलेगा कि नहीं, तो यू आर डूइंग समथिंग, यू आर ग्रेटफुल ऑल्सो, बट उसके साथ साथ आप फेयरफुल भी हो रहे हो, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता, बिकॉज वो कहते हैं एक म्यान में दो तलवार नहीं रह सकती, बिकॉज वेन यू आर फेयरफुल you cannot be grateful, and vice versa. When you are grateful, you are happy, you cannot be fearful. तो आपको डिसअपॉइंटमेंट नहीं आती, बिकॉज आपके पास जो भी है आप उसी में हैप्पी रहते हो, एंड देन यू क्रिएट मोर सिचुएशंस टू बी हैप्पी फॉर रिगार्डिंग मनी. यस प्लीज.
You have already practiced gratitude for the money you have received and continue to receive. So, before you use gratitude's magical power for the money you want, you need to understand the various ways and avenues that money or riches could come into your life. Because if you are not grateful each time your riches or money increases, you will stop the abundance from flowing to you. Money can come to you through receiving an
Unexpected check.
uh, unexpected check and increasing in salary, a lottery win, a tax refund, or an unanticipated gifts of money from someone. Your money can also increase when somebody else spontaneously picks up the tab for coffee, lunch, or dinner when you are about to purchase an item and you discover it has been discounted. When there are money back offer on a purchase, or when someone gives you a gift of something you needed to buy. The end result of every one of these circumstances is that you have more money. So, whenever a situation arises, ask yourself, does this circumstances means that I have more money? Because if it does, you need to be very grateful for the money you are receiving through that circumstances.
ओके, इसमें क्या बोला गया है कि जो भी अगर आपको कोई ऑफर भी मिल रही है, 1+1 स्कीम है या कुछ डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, सो बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर वॉट एवर, या फिर आपको कहीं कोई टैक्स रिफंड है, कोई डिविडेंड मिल रहा है किसी इन्वेस्टमेंट का, सो दे आर डिफरेंट वेज यूनिवर्स सेंड्स यू मनी. इट्स नॉट जस्ट द ओनली कि आपको कहीं पे आप काम करेंगे और आपको आपका तनख्वाह मिलेगी, इट्स नॉट जस्ट दैट. सो दे आर डिफरेंट वेज ऑफ गेटिंग दैट, and whatever you receive, be grateful. Be grateful for what you have rather than being ungrateful and being disappointed all the time for what you don't have. Yes, please.
If you tell a friend you are about to buy an item and the friend offers to lend or give you the very item because they don't use it, or if you are planning to travel and you hear about a discounted special that you end up taking, or if your lending institution lowers their interest rate, or a services provider offers you a far better package, your money magically increases through the saving of money. Are you getting the idea of the unlimited situations where you can receive money? Most likely you have experienced some of these situations in the past, and whether you realized it or not, at the same time, they occurred because you attracted them. But when gratitude is your way of life, you attract magical situation all the time. Many people call it good luck, but it's not luck at all. It's universal law. Any circumstances that results in you having more money or receiving something that cost
Money.
money
बढ़िया
is a result of your gratitude. You will feel great joy in knowing that you did it. And when you combine your joy with the gratitude, you have a real magnetic force that will keep
है।
attracting more and more abundance. When I when I arrived in the United States several years ago, I arrived with two suitcases. I worked in a bare bones apartment with my computer on my lap. I didn't have a car, and so I mostly walked everywhere. But I was grateful for everything. I was grateful to be in the United States. I was grateful for the work I was doing. I was grateful for the bare bones apartment with its four plates, four knives, four forks, and four spoons. I was grateful that I could walk to most places, and I was grateful that there was a taxi stand right across the street. Then something incredible happened. A person I knew decided to gift to me a driver and a car for a few months. Other than my computer, I was living with the most basic material things to survive. And then suddenly I had my own uh, own personal driver and car. I was grateful, so I was given more. And that is exactly how the magic happens with gratitude.
Okay, so here the author is saying कि जब उनके पास ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं था, she just had four plates, four knives, and whatever bare minimum she had, she's talking about. But how, with the power of gratitude, she is now one of the most successful person by being grateful. तो उनके पास जितना भी होता था उसी में वो कहती थी कि भाई आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल। शुक्र करना जो आपके पास है। जब आप शुक्राना के मोड में आ जाते हैं, यू स्टार्ट बीइंग ग्रेटफुल फॉर व्हाट यू हैव, एंड दैट इज अ ब्यूटीफुल फीलिंग।
उल्टा करो।
क्योंकि जैसे मैंने अभी बताया, इट इज अ सर्कल। किसी के पास कुछ एरिया में ज्यादा है हैप्पीनेस, किसी के पास किसी और एरिया में, बट यू नीड टू फाइंड योर हैप्पीनेस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया विच यू फील दैट यू आर नॉट सो हैप्पी एट द मोमेंट। वो आपको ढूंढना है। इट्स अ ट्रेजर विच हैव टू डिग इन, एंड दैट ट्रेजर इज देयर। सिर्फ आपका एफर्ट चाहिए वो ढूंढने के लिए कि वो ऐसा क्या है जिसके लिए मैं खुश रह सकता हूँ, वो ऐसा क्या है जिसके लिए मैं ग्रेटफुल हो सकता हूँ। यस प्लीज।
Today's magical practice for the money you want to receive has brought astounding results to many people. At the end of this practice, you will find a blank magic check from the gratitude bank of the universe, and you are going to write out the magic check to yourself. Fill in the amount of money you want to receive along with your name and today's date. Choose a specific amount of money for one thing you really want, because you will be able to feel more gratitude for the money when you know what you are going to spend money on.
ओके,
Money,
सो यहाँ पे जो बात कर रहे हैं, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन। क्योंकि लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन का रूल है दैट यू आस्क, बिलीव एंड देन यू स्टार्ट रिसीविंग। तो एक बिलीव सिस्टम है विच यू हैव टू मेक। ये नहीं कि हर समय उसके बारे में सोचते रहो, बट यू थिंक पॉजिटिव। लाइक उसके फैक्टर्स एंड द फर्स्ट वन इज दैट यू चेंज योर पर्सपेक्टिव। The biggest asset in the world is your mindset. You make your mindset. Just a moment, please mute yourself. सो यू मेक योर माइंड सेट कि जो भी मेरे लाइफ में है, हाउ हाउ यू सी द पिक्चर, इट्स ऑल योर पर्सपेक्टिव, कि आपका नजरिया क्या है किसी चीज को देखने का। सब उस परसेप्शन पे डिपेंड करता है, आप किस तरीके से देखते हैं। एक तरफ से हम पूजा कर रहे हैं लक्ष्मी माता की, और दूसरी तरफ पैसे ऐसे फेंके होते हैं। वी आर सो डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल, वी आर सो डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल अबाउट अदर पर्सनस मनी। जब हम किसी के लिए बात करते हैं वैसे की, तो हम ये बोलते हैं कि उसके पास तो बहुत पैसा आ गया। इट मीन्स वी आर अनग्रेटफुल अबाउट द मनी ही हैज, बिकॉज जब उसके पास नहीं था तब तो हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, बट द मोमेंट ही इज बाइंग अ बिग हाउस तो हमें प्रॉब्लम हो गई। सो द यूनिवर्स गेट्स दैट फीलिंग दैट यू आर गेटिंग fearful about his richness, about his bank balance, about his you know, about his whatever he's getting, car and his big house. So the message you are sending to the universe is about your feelings. When you have negative feelings about money, it's not कि तेरा पैसा और मेरा पैसा, it's not that. It is about money, the concept of money. तो जिसका भी है, अगर आप किसी को पैसे दे रहे हैं तो आप ये सोच के दीजिए कि उसको भी बरकत हो, और जब आपको पैसा मिल रहा है तो आप ये सोच के लीजिए, थैंक गॉड, यू थैंक यू गॉड फॉर व्हाट यू आर रिसीविंग. So when you are in that mode, you start feeling happy. तो आप जितना भी मिलेगा आप उसमें शुक्राना करेंगे. That is the belief system you change. And this chapter is not talking about that you just be after money, but this chapter is talking about your belief system about money, which you need to change, that perspective. आपने वो चेंज करना है. दूसरा पॉइंट जब बात करते हैं हम लॉ ऑफ अट्रैक्शन की, एंड दैट इज यू चेंज योर फोकस. मतलब आप फोकस जिस चीज पे रखेंगे वो चीज बढ़ती जाएगी. Whatever your focus is, it expands. And that is a law of the subconscious mind. आप सबकॉन्शियस माइंड में जो फीलिंग सबसे ज्यादा डालते हैं वो फीलिंग बढ़ती जाती है, वो मेमोरी उसकी बढ़ती जाती है. And there is a law, wherever the intention goes flows, energy goes. तो जहां पर आपकी इंटेंशन फ्लो करेगी एनर्जी वहीं जाएगी. And everything is energy. We all are energies. So we need to understand that आपको फोकस कहाँ करना है. आपको फोकस करना है to your right thought, to your right values. और जब आप अपना फोकस, आपकी इंटेंशंस अच्छी होती हैं, आपकी विल अच्छी होगी, you are going to get back in abundance. And that is guaranteed. That is a law of the universe. ये किसी का भी ऐसा लिखा हुआ नहीं है. It is a law of the universe, and it is proven, it is scientific. I'll be sharing videos with you to explain to you further. Then another thing is that you change the language. हम जब लैंग्वेज बोलते हैं तो हम पैसे के लिए, हम या मनी के लिए हम कैसी लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं. आर वी गिविंग रिस्पेक्ट टू द लैंग्वेज, और आर वी बीइंग डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल? बिकॉज इट इज समथिंग टू बी रिस्पेक्टफुल फॉर. we have to be very grateful for it. और अब जब हम बोलते हैं कि आई वॉन्ट टू बी, उसकी जगह आप बोल सकते हैं आई एम सक्सेसफुल. सो यू स्टार्ट विजुअलाइजिंग, यू स्टार्ट चेंजिंग योर वर्ड्स एंड योर थॉट्स. बिकॉज थॉट से फीलिंग्स बनती हैं, और फीलिंग से वाइब्रेशंस, एंड दोज वाइब्रेशंस गो टू द यूनिवर्स एंड कम्स बैक टू यू इन अबंडेंस, इन मैनीफोल्ड्स, इन टेनफोल्ड्स. तो जब आप शुक्राना भेज रहे हैं जो भी है, you get back those similar situations where again you are giving thank you to God. Okay, did you read the last line? Money is
Not yet. Money is means to what you
want.
But it's not the end result. So if you just thought about money per se, you wouldn't be able to feel as much gratitude. When you imagine getting the thing you really want or doing the things you really want to do, you will feel far more grateful than if you were just being grateful for money. You can photocopy or scan the magic check from the book, You can also get an abundance of blank magic check from the link is given below. If you want to, if you if you want, you can start with a smaller amount of your first magic check, and after you receiving the smaller amount, you can keep increasing the amount on your next checks. The benefit of starting with a smaller amount is that when you magically receive it, you will know that you did it. You will know absolutely that the magic of gratitude worked, and the gratitude and joy you feel will make bigger amount believable to you. Uh, it basically like confidence. It will give you the confidence, right?
Yeah, it is basically a kind of visualization where you start visualizing that you are getting, you write the check and then you feel that, oh yes. So it is just to make you feel a positivity in that positive zone. That is also a way of giving signal to the subconscious mind. क्योंकि जब आप वो चेक लिखते हैं अपने आप अपने नाम को, और आप वो भेज रहे हैं यूनिवर्स को, वो चेक आपको साइन करा हुआ, जैसे आप खुद भी बना सकते हैं, आई जस्ट टेल यू हाउ। तो वो यूनिवर्सल बैंक से आपको मिलता है, बैंक ऑफ ग्रेटिट्यूड। तो जब आप उसमें भेजते हैं वो, तो क्या होता है कि यू गेट दैट पॉजिटिव फीलिंग कि हाँ मुझे देयर इज पॉजिटिविटी अराउंड यू। यू स्टार्ट क्रिएटिंग दैट एनवायरनमेंट, और कहीं ना कहीं से आपको कुछ रिटर्न मिलता है, जैसे मैंने अभी बात करी। यू स्टार्ट रिसीविंग सम काइंड ऑफ डिस्काउंट, सम काइंड ऑफ सम डिविडेंड। I had a similar some dividend I received after doing this. तो ऐसे कुछ ना कुछ डिपेंड्स के आपका क्या है। यू कैन स्टार्ट विद अ स्मॉलर अमाउंट writing on the check so that then later you can write. Okay, so I
Okay.
just you read this and then I will share something. Yeah.
Mhm. Once you have filled in the details of the magic check, hold the check in your hand and think about the specific thing you want the money for. Get a picture in your mind and visualize yourself actually using the money to get the very thing that you want. And put as much excitement and gratitude into it as you can. Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoes, a computer, or a new bed. So
The
picture
idea is
yourself.
कि आप इसमें रीजन बताएंगे. So to understand that you ask, believe, you take necessary action that is related to that, and then you start receiving. बिकॉज जब तक बिलीव नहीं करेंगे, आप एक्शन नहीं लेंगे, तो नहीं हो, जस्ट आस्किंग से नहीं होगा। कि कहीं पे जाके आप मांग लेते हो, वो नहीं होगा, एंड यू आर नॉट टेकिंग द रिक्वायर्ड एक्शन। यू हैव टू फील इट एंड यू हैव टू स्टार्ट लिविंग योर ड्रीम। दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड, एंड दिस इज अ रियल एग्जाम्पल which happened. It's a very big example. Okay, please continue.
Maybe you want the money for a new pair of shoe, a computer, or a new bed. So picture yourself. I think I have read this. Uh,
No, it's fine, you
Computer or
start.
new bed. So picture yourself. Okay, yourself actually buying what you want in a store. If you would purchase what you want online, then picture yourself receiving the delivery. So you feel excitement and gratitude. You might want the money to travel overseas or for your child's college education. So
Imagine.
now it haven't changed in my screen.
Imagine.
Something stuck. I'm not able to see that, man.
Is it not visible?
Stuck
Can
in the
others
previous
see?
picture. Yeah, I can.
Okay.
Now I can. Hmm. So imagine buying your airplane ticket or opening a college bank account and feel as happy and grateful as if you have really received it. After you have completed these steps, take the magic check with you today or put it in a place where you will see it often. On at least two more occasions during the day. Today, take the magic check in your hands Picture yourself actually using the money for what you wanted and feel as grateful and excited as you can. And though you are really doing it, if you want, you can do it more times in the day. As with any other magical practice, you can't do it too often.
ओके,
At the
तो
end,
इसका मतलब है एज विद एनी अदर मैजिकल प्रैक्टिस यू कांट डू इट टू ऑफन। इसका मतलब जितनी बार भी देखेंगे तो वो कोई भी ज्यादा बार नहीं होगा। यू कैन सी इट एज मेनी टाइम्स एज यू वांट। तो उसको ऐसी जगह पे रखिए, आप अपने टेबल पर के पास रख सकते हैं, बेड साइड रख सकते हैं, और अपनी अलमीरा के अंदर रख सकते हैं कि जैसे ही आप खोले तो आपको दिखे। कहीं बाहर रख सकते हैं आप, so that you are able to see that. And the more you see, it's a kind of visualization technique which gets seeped into your mind. So that is a process actually. All right, yes please.
at the end of today, either keep your magic check where you had it or put it in another prominent place where you will see it daily. You could put it on your bathroom mirror, your refrigerator, underneath your magic rock, in your car or wallet, or on the background of your computer. Anytime you see your magic check, feel as though you have received the money, and be grateful that now you can have or do what you want. When you have received the money on your magic check, or if you receive the item you wanted to spend the money on in another magical way, replace the check with a new amount of something else that you really want, and continue with the magic check practice as long as you want.
Okay. Yeah. Magic practice number 17.
Okay, the magic check. First, count your blessings. Uh, Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessings as you can. Second, fill in your magic check with the amount of money you want to receive, along with your name and today's date. Third, hold your magic check in your hand and imagine purchasing the specific thing you want the money for. Feel as happy and grateful as you can that you have received it. Fourth, take the magic check with you today or put it in the place where you will see it often. On at least two more occasions, take the check in your hand, picture yourself using the money for what you want, and feel as grateful as though you were really doing it. Fifth, at the end of today, keep your magic check in a prominent place where you will see it daily. When you have received the money on your check, or if you received the item you wanted to spend the money on, replacing the check with a new amount of something else you want. And repeat step 2 to 4. Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic word, thank you for the best things that happened during the day.
So this is the image of the check. You can take a screenshot, or you can download a copy of Magic Check from this thesecret.tv, or Magic Check. Or I will send you on, I'll send you a pic in the group. I'll do that. So you can make your own magic check by hand. कुछ भी पेपर लेके आप अपना खुद से बना सकते हैं. Just visualize it. Imagine if you want something, you can make it and put it in a place which is very near to you, and then you can see it often. And to whomever you are giving money, be grateful. And whenever you receive money, be grateful for the money you have. That is the whole concept, to change your belief system into a positive one. The idea of being grateful, the importance of being grateful for money, is shown here in this chapter. So, any questions? Thank you so much for reading, Arush. Today, Sandeep opted for reading, but then somehow he couldn't manage. Thank you so much for joining
Okay,
and reading.
it's okay, ma'am. It's fine. Uh,
Okay, so any questions for today's class or assignment? Somebody if you want to ask? Okay, so I have another beautiful share for you. He is a person who motivates his all his colleagues and his staff. He is a person who gives biggest charities. 66% goes on charity. So he can be number one in India. But the kind of he's such a grounded person. He's very humble and kind. So it's not that money makes you bad or money will make an evil out of you. It is your own perspective. It is all about your focus in life, where your focus is. अगर आपका फोकस ग्रैटिट्यूड में है, थैंक यू के लिए है, धन्यवाद के लिए है, शुक्राना का भाव है, so you will always get back in abundance. And that I found this is a beautiful share, so I thought I must share with you all.
Yeah, I love this video.
Yeah, he's an amazing personality. Yes, with you. Thank you, Dipali, for your views. Yeah. Thank you, Manisha. So, anything else anybody would like to share or you would like to add on to it, or otherwise, we'll conclude today's class. Anything you want to say? Any questions? Okay, so thank you all. Thank you so much for joining. We meet again tomorrow. I'll confirm the time for tomorrow. And love you all. Take care. Bye.
Thank you so much for the lovely session. Thank you. Enjoyed it really. Nice.
There's one more message from Shraddha. Yeah, lovely session. Thank you, Shraddha ji. Thank you. Thanks, Vidhu.
Thanks for
Okay.
all the efforts you're taking.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Pleasure. My pleasure. Thank you. See you all.